we are heading to Sakleshpur with our KTM ADV group. There are so many surprises, so let's ride it. We'll get to know. So guys, right now we are on Hassan Road. We have already reached to Hassan and near to A2B restaurant right now. We'll have some tea, coffee, and let's ride again. That's it. Scenes are set. Good morning, amigos. So late night we came to Sakleshpur Dusk and Dawn Resort. बहुत खूबसूरत जगह है, देखेंगे, दिखाई देता है, नहीं भी देखेंगे तो क्या ही जाता है. क्रेजी. ये अपना आशियाना था रात का. कौन दिखा के लाते हैं आपको अपनी प्रॉपर्टी. हे टैंगी, कम आजा. So almost all bikes are parked here itself. As you can see, beautiful place, nice place. नेचर की वादियों में भाई बहुत खूबसूरत जगह है. See, pool is also there.
Anyway, hopefully the trail will be good, which you guys are really expecting. Though there will be noise, but it's okay, not a problem. We'll try and manage that. And yeah, we'll have one trail now. Probably in the evening, if you guys are game for it, we can have another one in a different route. Okay. So JB is the experienced one out here. So please brief them on do's and don'ts. It will be good.
Morning guys.
Morning.
So let's stick to the plan. No racing, no stunts, nothing. If you're confident in standing and riding, do it. If you're not able to stand and ride, sit, relax. Okay? Make sure your sight. Don't look at directly on your wheel when you're standing, or don't look like this. The sight should be on your head. Clear? Yes. That's all. Everyone do mistakes. Okay? Right. You do have water crossings? So if you
But they're not a deep one.
Okay.
They're just going to
And uphills, avoid using clutch. Even if you use a quarter of the clutch, you might just roll back. So just stay with the momentum and just cross the uphill. Even if you are ready to just stand and drop, it's okay. But don't hold the clutch because you will just roll back without any. It's like free fall.
So
you're not
Yeah,
having
now
zero
I just
control.
noticed.
second part is your MTC and ABS. Starting from here, ABS will be on off-road mode. Hope everyone know how to switch it off-road mode. Clear? Next is MTC. MTC, what happens in our vehicle when the engine off, MTC kicks on. So make sure your MTC is off when you start the vehicle. And make sure you switch it off. Whenever you feel it's coming off, stop the vehicle, switch it off and drive. What will happen when you climb up, the tire rotate mode, your MTC kicks in, your vehicle will stop. That's it. Clear?
Yeah.
That's it. So let's go to the vehicle.
So guys, let's go.
I'll
Let's
show
go.
you
Let's go.
some basic position where how you need to hold your vehicle. Basically, you should hold with your this position.
Boys, make some space. He's coming back down. Watch his footwork very carefully. Watch his footwork, body movement. See what I'm doing? I'm holding the vehicle. See? This is how you should hold the vehicle. On the downhill also. See? I can move, I can go front, lock the vehicle. It should come so smoothly. Now I'll take on the uphill. Winding up.
JB, the Jeep is here. Come down, please.
You switch off the engine, no?
नहीं वो अभी हमको दिखाने के लिए किया भाई.
That is just to show you the control. You'll be your front suspension will be fully loaded, so you have good control in the front, and so you can just control yourself.
Got it? That's how you should be. See, I'm turning. I'm doing counter. It should be always your counter position.
So Jeep is also here now. Seems people will be going in Jeep. Come on. Boys are ready to fire again. So basically we have almost came 287 kilometers from Bangalore. Crazy. Lovely place. Amazing city. With our bikers gang.